Back in about 2016, I went on a 15-day Caribbean cruise. Panama, Belize, Carousel, Aruba, and so forth. And we went to a private island. I went swimming with a GoPro Hero 4 Session. My Hero 5 Session Black broke. Able to see a lot of things underwater. So today, what we're doing with the extra family, not the Muse, but in my pocket, I have here is the extra Atto. I'm gonna put this bad boy in the soup. And I'm gonna see what I can see through here, which I know a foot is all I'm gonna see. But I'm also going to be dunking the extra 360 sphere without the lens protectors. And I want to get a 360-degree perspective. What's down below? So come along. We'll show you what this is about. This is my setup. I thought maybe a painter's roll would do the trick. The problem with this is it's just going to be spinning around. Not sure which way it's going to lie in the water. So let's turn this bad boy on. I'm not going to see much, but we have a setting on here for underwater. Let's swipe down, hit the cog gear, and look for underwater color correction and enable. Here we go. In the water I go. Not waterproof. This is. Oh, I don't want to drop it, fish. I want to drop it over and see if I can see the fish. As I hit record, and off she goes. There are some bubbles down there. I'm not sure how low I am, but we are just about touching the water. And I am lost with signal as soon as it touches the water. Here we go. In the water. And that's all I can see. I lost my signal. Nice and slow. Next one we're going to put down is the sphere. The sphere is hooked up. Recording. It's on there strong. Over the edge we go. And in the water it is. What do you see? I'm blinded by the sun on such a wonderful day. I'm gonna go back, clean off, see my footage, and edit, and share my final results. I was gonna bring my backpack, and I should have. But at least I got the bike rack and a water bottle thing. Well, maybe I'll head over to the amusement park and go in that particular area. Now I could put all this away. Well, I am Fish. I hope you enjoyed the shots there. And yeah, I just go back to the editor, go on to the extra studio, pick out what looks best, throw it up here, make a shorter video for you so you can see it 360 if it's worth posting.